water does what?
Turn into a rainbow.
Yep, but we can make water grow.
Grow.
And it'll turn into a rainbow.
Yeah, and go, whoa, like a rainbow.
Yep, so we need paper towel.
Paper towel.
Markers.
Markers.
Water.
Water.
Scissors.
And scissors.
And a ruler.
And a ruler.
Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our paper towel. We're going to fold it in half. You ready?
First thing we're going to do is this.
Yep, fold it in half.
Folding, pushing.
Now we're going to take our ruler.
Bang, bang, bang,
And we're going to measure our paper towel to be 7.5 inches long. So we're going to put it down like this. With a pencil, we'll mark 7.5 inches.
7.
Okay, so on your piece of paper or on your paper towel, there's the 7.5 inches. So draw your line.
Oh, I got it.
And draw it down.
Boom.
And that's what we're going to cut off.
Boom.
Okay, so now let's take our scissors
Scissors.
and let's cut where we drew that line. Cut that all off. Cut, 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 cut.
Cut.
Okay, so first we start with our red marker.
Red marker.
And you're going to color in a red square or a red rectangle.
Red rectangle.
You don't want to go, you want to make a mirror on each side.
Kind of like a red mirror.
Yeah.
A red mirror.
So once you're all done, this is what it will look like.
Yep.
Yeah, we've colored
It
both
looks like a
sides.
real rainbow. It's so pretty.
It sure is. So now one goes in this bowl and one goes in that bowl.
Like
Okay,
this.
so, yeah.
That. Oh, it's growing.
It is growing,
Wow.
isn't it?
Isn't that cool?
Let's watch what it does.
Well, when it's just gonna look good. Is it done?
Yeah.
Daddy, come look at it. Looks messy, so I have to kind of keep it over the bowl.